In Logos, you can commit any passage list to memory right from within the program. Practice in a series of stages and then quiz yourself once you're ready. Let me show you how it works. Let's say you're studying the book of Psalms and want to focus on God's acts of mercy. You can run a quick Bible search to isolate these verses. Set the passage range to the Psalms, and then search for the person of God intersecting with mercy. 6 verses display describing God showing mercy to others. Expand the panel menu and choose to save as a passage list. You may want to rename the list with a short descriptive title. Of course, you can always remove verses by clicking the corresponding red X. You can also add additional verses to your list from the reference box or from the context menu in your Bible. Right-click to show the context menu and ensure the verse reference is selected on the left. On the right, click Add to Verses on God's Mercy, and 1 Peter 2:10 is added to your list. With your passage list ready, click Memorize in the top right-hand corner. The readout at the top provides 2 study options, Practice and Quiz. Use the arrows to navigate between your verses in your list. In practice mode, you can set your preferred Bible and tell Logos how to help you learn the verse. By default, each time you progress through the verse, Logos will hide whole words in a random order until there are only blanks left. Before you begin practicing the verse, notice how the surrounding verses are shown next to your verse to ensure you understand the immediate context. When you're ready, click Start Practice. Begin typing your verse to memorize it, typing over the grayed words and providing any missing words. Press Enter on your keyboard to repeat the process with a few more blanks. Logos will slowly remove blanks over 6 practice attempts. If you miss a blank, the word will display in red. You can also skip words by pressing Tab on your keyboard. On the 6th attempt, only blanks will show. When you finish practicing a verse, your score will display. You can choose to retry or to begin studying the next verse. Exit anytime by pressing Exit Practice in the top right. When you've sufficiently memorized the verses in your list, enter quiz mode to take a test over your entire list. As you finish each verse, press Enter to reveal your score. Continue with each verse until the quiz is complete. As you can see, with Logos, you can quickly collate important passages and then commit them to memory.